How to enable Vivid Filter on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make your display colors more vibrant and saturated. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Display. Following that, look for Screen Mode or Color Mode in the display settings. Now, tap on Screen Mode to view available color profiles. Moving forward, you'll see options like Natural, Vivid, or Adaptive. Afterwards, tap on Vivid to enable more saturated and vibrant colors on your screen. In addition to that, you can also customize the color temperature by tapping on Color Adjustment or White Balance. Once there, drag the slider towards Cool for bluer tones or Warm for warmer tones. Subsequently, you can also enable Eye Comfort Shield or Blue Light Filter if needed. Moreover, some devices also have Video Enhancer, which boosts color specifically for videos. Afterwards, scroll down in Display Settings and toggle on Video Enhancer if available. Then your screen will display more vibrant and vivid colors for all content. Within the display settings, you can switch back to natural mode anytime if Vivid feels too intense. And that's it. If this Vivid display guide helped you enhance your screen colors, give it a like, subscribe for more display customization tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.